Hi everyone! Today, I'll show you the top Linux commands that every beginner hacker must know. Short, simple, and super useful. In quote. Command 1, ifconfig. Ifconfig shows your network interfaces, your IP, MAC address, and active connections. Essential when scanning or setting up attacks. Command 2, ping. Ping checks if a host is online. Use it to test if a device or server is reachable. Simple but powerful. Command 3, netstat. Netstat shows active connections, useful to see what's running and where to attack. Command 4, nmap. Nmap is the hacker's Swiss knife. It scans devices for open ports, services, and OS info. Always use it in your lab. Command 5, whoami, tells you your current user, root, regular user, etc. Important when checking privileges. Command 6, cd, ls, and pwd cd changes directory, ls lists files, and pwd shows your current path. Mastering file navigation is a must. Command 7, cat and nanocat reads file contents, and nano lets you edit them. You'll use both often to read or change config files. Command 8, chmod plus x. Chmod plus x makes your script executable. Without this, your exploit scripts won't even run. These are just the basics, but mastering them means you're already ahead of 90% of beginners. If you found this useful, give it a like and subscribe to Root Cryptor for more ethical hacking content. Drop comments if you want part 2 with advanced commands.